Okay, so to use the whiteboard feature, you go into your Zoom account settings, go down to the whiteboard, and then make sure that's turned on. You could also have it auto save the content when it's stopped sharing. Then what you'll do is you'll open up start your meeting, and when you go to share screen, you should have the option of a whiteboard, and then you share it, and then that gets shared and posted, or that gets shared to all the kids' screens. What I found after doing this was that students on Chromebook do not have the same ability to share whiteboard um, screen with you. They must be on a Mac or a PC laptop using the desktop app in order for that to happen. So I just want you to be aware of that. But you do have, um, you've got you have where you can put a text box. You have the drawing and different tools and drawings. You have some stamps. You do have a spotlight, and this actually shows up on the kids' screen. So you do have a little laser pointer on the kids' screen. You have an eraser. You can change the color of the pen. You have undo, redo, clear, and then you have a save button. So you could save whatever your annotation was prior to closing out, but then you just hit stop share, and then you get back to where you were before. So that's how the whiteboard works in Zoom.